my name is Annelene Timmermans. I'm from Belgium. I'm an English teacher and a teacher trainer. I'd like to invite you to It's MediaLite. This is an interactive webinar where I explain how you can easily integrate media literacy into your language lesson. The webinar will be based on this empowerment spiral. We'll discuss many aspects of media literacy and I'll show you some interesting tools. Now, think about this riddle. A bat and a ball cost $1.10 in total. The bat costs $1 more than the ball. How much does the ball cost? If your answer was 10 cents, then you should join me for my webinar on Saturday from 6:15 to 7:15. See you then!